Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to cook Mexican chicken in the pressure cooker. Now the pressure cooker I'm using is a Pressure King Pro, but this would work with any pressure cooker. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add in 2 tubs of salsa and some garlic, and then we've got the spices. We've got chili pepper, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika and cumin. So we add the chili powder, paprika, cumin and cayenne pepper, but this is a spicy one, so if you want to leave it out, that's okay. And we've got them all in the pot, and you'll notice I have also added some jalapenos. Then I've added some peppers, but you could also add onions, mushrooms, any veggies that you want. Yeah, I went quite overboard with the peppers and the chilies because I like it to be spicy. So once you've got everything in, you just mix it together, making sure that you get all the spices mixed up with the salsa, so no lumps, and just so that everything's covered, looking a bit like this. What I've done now is I have added 4 chicken breasts into the pot, just whole, and just giving it a bit of a mix about to get them slightly coated, but it doesn't really matter too much. So putting the lid on the pressure cooker, making sure the valve is at the closed, sealed section, and I'm putting the meat function, changing the time to 15 minutes, and that's it. So the pressure cooker will just get up to pressure and then it'll begin the countdown. So in the meantime, as it's cooking, I have chopped some coriander or cilantro, added it to a bowl, added a tin of sweet corn. You could also add red onion if you wanted. And I'm going to add some rice, so I have gone for a whole grain and quinoa rice mix, and it's just microwavable in 2 minutes. So once that's cooked, I just add it in, season it with salt and pepper and give it a mix. I wish I'd had lime because that would have gone really well. So when the 15 minutes is up, I release the pressure using the quick release method, and when the pressure is gone, the lid can come off and it's bubbling away nicely. Take the chicken out onto the board, shred with 2 forks, which I couldn't show you with one hand, and then just put this back in the sauce in the pressure cooker, which now is off or on the keep warm function. So I mix it all together to get the chicken nicely coated in the salsa sauce, and then it's ready to serve. So that's the rice, the chicken, and I have served it with some fresh avocado. It'd also be nice to put some lime or some other seasoning. Okie doke, hope you've enjoyed this video. See you again soon.